planted. I'll show you how to install the tower. Put the pole stake in, put the pole on top. I like to have it on there just to kind of get it straight. Push it in the ground. Once you got it started straight, drive it in level with the tomato with the ground. Make the spade level with the ground. Put your first pipe on. Put your first ring on. Start your plant through it. Leap through about 3-4 inches, and then as it grows, you just move your ring up. And then put on other rings as needed. And I'll probably put the pole together too. So that's all here when I get ready to go. And that's it.